this is Arena for Magic Stone. We have been focusing on all kinds of natural stone processing and designing for over 20 years. This is one of our most hot-selling products, stone owls. Usually we would use granite, marble, mountain stone, and cobblestone for these owls, especially for cobblestone. It can also be made for other various animal sculptures such as hedgehog, snails, turtles, rabbit, dog, etc. We have prepared some promotions and discount coupons for the upcoming procurement festival. For example, for 10 to 30 centimeters height owls, it will only cost you $1.2 to $50. Each and every stone owl is hand-carved by our carving masters. They can be placed in our office, homes, gardens as decorations, bring us more beauty and more energy.